So after starting today in the red, guess what? Friday, January 5th, we ended with a bang. Check this out. Go ahead and pop this thing open. Oh, check this bad boy out. Overall P&L on the day for coin, again, short of this bad boy at overall highs of 156.50, and it retraced back to a very common support level that it tested multiple times. Old resistance level and new support level right around 153.50, right? Common support, common resistance. We shorted this multiple times from overall highs to overall lows, covered short. Overall highs, overall lows, covered short. Overall highs, overall lows, covered short. 15K on the day, 15.6K. Insane. Because I was down in today's earlier video, right? We like to show you both sides of every trade. My trade was not going according to plan. I gave back what I made earlier in the pre-market session, and we ended today with a bang. I did not trade SQQQ, as you can see, no open position. Pretty much a sideways day for that. And overall NASDAQ market closed up 0.12%. Again, a very sideways day. But the thing that's really interesting is that next week, we should be preparing for the CPI data report and the Fed rate decision, if I'm not mistaken. And what a perfect time, because the NASDAQ QQQ is at a critical support range right above the moving average on the 4-hour time frame. So are we going to break above and begin to rally once again, or are we going to break below and sell off once again? We'll have to make sure that we follow up next week, but I'm super proud of this trade, being able to, again, not just start the day in the green, but then I gave it all back, then I started in the red, and then I finished off with the bang, 15.6K. I want to make sure that you're aware of this. I do not trade with a small dollar amount. I trade with a little bit over $500,000. So just putting that into perspective. But again, I trade live every morning, and I called out all of my trades to my LPP team, who get to see both my good trades and my bad trades. And if you're an absolute beginner, or you're trying to get started in 2024 to learn more about the market, and you think that it would be valuable to watch me trade live, I would love to invite you to my live trading session as soon as Monday. And it's the second link in the description down below. If you want to save a couple of bucks, we're running our biggest sell right now. Feel free to check it out, and I hope to see you there on Monday. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Do not forget to enter our Tesla giveaway that's coming to an end. And if you want to enter to win, it's the fourth link in the description down below. If you have any questions either about entering our giveaway or about joining our LPP team, shoot me a direct message right now via Discord, and that's the first link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.